This is Library Hacks, presented by the Oregon City Public Library. Did you know that you can access the New York Times online with your library card? Start by visiting the online catalog at lincc.org. On the left side of the screen, click Online Resources. There are several ways to search for and access the New York Times from the resource page. You can scroll down and click Magazines, Journals, and Newspapers to see a list of resources, including the New York Times. You can search using key terms NYT or New York Times in the search bar at the top of the page. On the next page, you will see a description, instructions on access, and additional information about the New York Times. Start by clicking Visit this site under the Access section. You may be prompted to enter your library card number and PIN. You will then be directed to the New York Times, where you will be prompted to redeem an access code. Click on Redeem. This access code is active for 72 hours. Once this time is up, you will need to return to the resource page on the link website to retrieve a new code. Next, you will be prompted to create a free account. You can use your email address or continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple. You will use this account each time you redeem your access code, and you will not need to create a new account with each visit. Once you've created your account, you may then select Continue. You now have access to the New York Times website where you can begin browsing and reading articles. For the most up-to-date information about what's happening at the library, visit our website at orcity.org/library.